Alright, that's a quick guide on how to fix an iPhone that won't respond to touch. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to help you solve a frustrating problem, your iPhone touch screen not responding. If your screen is frozen, lagging, or just won't respond to any touch. The iPhone screen freezing and not responding to touch is usually caused by software-related issues, such as glitches or bugs in the operating system. Unless there's physical damage from dropping or mishandling the device, the problem tends to be software-driven. These issues can disrupt the iPhone's normal functionality, leading to touch screen unresponsiveness. Don't worry, we've got a few simple solutions to try. Alright, with that said, let's get started. Method 1. Clean your screen. Sometimes, touch issues on your iPhone can be caused by external factors like dirt, smudges, or moisture on the screen. These contaminants can interfere with the touch sensors and make the device unresponsive. Take a soft, lint-free cloth and gently wipe the screen. Ensure that you cover the entire surface to remove any dust or smudges. Once cleaned, test the screen and see if it works. If it doesn't, move to the next troubleshooting method. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. A force restart is a more aggressive reboot compared to a normal restart. This process forces your iPhone to shut down and reboot its system, clearing any temporary software glitches that may have caused the screen to freeze. It's particularly helpful if your touch screen is unresponsive, as you don't need to touch the screen to perform the steps. This doesn't erase any data or settings, it simply forces the system to refresh, which can resolve minor bugs. It's safe to perform and works on many software-related issues. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release volume up and volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. For older iPhone models, check description below to see key combinations to perform a soft reset. Once the iPhone logo appears, release the power button. This process forces your iPhone to reset its system, clearing minor bugs and software hiccups. After it reboots, check if your touch screen is working properly again. Method 3. Remove screen protector or case. Screen protectors or phone cases can affect your iPhone's touch sensitivity. Worn out or overly thick screen guards can block touch inputs, and bulky phone cases may put pressure on the screen, reducing responsiveness. To test if this is the issue, gently remove the screen protector or case, then check if the touch works now. If it works, the accessory was causing the problem. If not, proceed to the next method. Method 4. Remove SIM card. Sometimes, issues with the SIM card or SIM card slot can cause various problems with your iPhone, including touch screen responsiveness. If the SIM card or its slot is damaged or not seated properly, it could potentially interfere with the internal components of the iPhone, including the touch screen. Remove the SIM card and restart your iPhone and see if it works. If it works, inspect the SIM card or the tray for any possible damages. If it didn't work, proceed to the next step. Method 5. Restore your iPhone with DFU mode. DFU mode is a method of recovery which allows you to downgrade or upgrade the iPhone software and its operating system with a computer. This mode ability assists particularly when trouble arises that is due to software or touch screen not responding. To do a DFU restore for your iPhone, you would require a computer with iTunes application installed and the correct iPhone firmware files for your iPhone downloaded. For guide on how to download your iPhone firmware, check the video in the description below. Open iTunes on your PC and connect your iPhone using the charging cable. Now it's time to enter DFU mode. For iPhone 8 and later models, quickly press and release the volume up button and the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until you see the connect to iTunes screen. Now release the power button. Wait for your iPhone to appear in iTunes. Once it's loaded, you'll see your iPhone model displayed. Press and hold the Shift key and click on the Restore iPhone option. This will bring up your File Explorer, where you'll need to select the iPhone firmware file you previously downloaded. You'll receive a message stating that iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone. To proceed, click on Restore. Be patient during the extraction and restoration process, and make sure not to move the phone or disconnect the cable, as this could cause the device to brick. Once the restore is complete, your iPhone should respond to touch again. Now you can go ahead and set up your device. Alright, that's a quick guide on how to fix an iPhone that won't respond to touch. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.